Hi, welcome back to Informatica tutorial. In this class, we will see one more transformation. So earlier we have done router in the one of the last classes, and what router does is it will take one stream of one sources like employee table, and we have split based on salary using router transformation here. We have used router transformation to split this into multiple pipelines. Low salary we have put here, medium salary we have routed to another pipeline, and high salary we have routed to the third one. So now what if we have three different streams of data like this: low salary in one file, medium salary employees in another file, and high salary employees in the third file? So we want to merge all three of these into one single pipeline. So what transformation will help us? So let's see, we want to merge all the three into one target table. So let's see which transformation will help us here. So yeah, let's go to Informatica tool. I'm going to create a mapping called M employees union. I will pull employee source, flat file source. One's for the low salary, one's for the medium salary. So let me check quickly in my target files directory how many flat files I have for employees. So default one.out, high, low, and medium. So there are four flat files. So let me also here create four sources for four flat files. So I'll say name this as sqff underscore employees low salary. I will name the next one as medium salary, and so this is medium salary, and I'll pull one more source, a flat file source for the high salary. So let's name this as high salary. And finally one more for the default salary. The default salary, if you remember, I've left a gap between 9k salary and 10k salary wantedly to send some records into the default group and edit router transformation. So for that I'll pull one more source which is called the default salary. So I have four sources here. Now I'll have one target which is employees table. And how do I merge all these four streams of data into one? So that is where union transformation is going to help us. Union UNI underscore employees. So union transformation is exactly opposite of router. It is like a union all in the database. It will not remove duplicates. Let me now join one input group which is low salary. So when I connected the low salary to the union, automatically one input group and one output group got created. So union will have only one output group and n number of input groups. So I'll add more groups now. I'm going to call this as low salary, and the next input group I'll call this as medium salary. The next one I'm going to call it as high salary, and finally default salary, which is between 9k and 10k. So we have defined these ranges earlier. Now group ports is based on the first low salary ports which we have dragged into this union transformation. So let's close this and see how the union transformation will look like. So low salary, medium salary, high salary, and default salary. There are four input groups and only one output group. So let me connect this output group to the employees target. So I'll do an auto link between union transformation output group and employees target. So all the ports got connected which are having the same names. Now I'll save this and I will create a workflow for this wf underscore employees union, and I'll create a session for this employees union. So I need to set my standard properties here. Write backward compatible log file. So my target is a table, source is a flat file. So let me take all these 4 files from here and put it into source files directory. So the standard practice is to take the source files from the source files directory. So save session log for 5 runs and stop on errors 1, and this file I'm going to name it as so I need to check here what is my file name. Low salary 1.out. So I'll take this and put it in the properties here, and this file I'm going to name it as okay. I did a small mistake here. So instead of pulling the flat file medium salary source, I pulled the table one. So I just rectified that, and then I need to connect all these source qualifiers to the respective input groups in the union transformation. So the high salary is this, and finally the default salary is this one. So let me connect this group to the target. So I save this mapping now, and I'll come here and I'll refresh the mapping once more. I'll connect these two, and I'll save this workflow, and I'll check how my sessions look like. So I need to give the source file path here. So this path is correct. So let me give the medium salary one. So I need to take it from here, the name of the medium salary file. So it is FF employees medium salary 1.out. So medium salary 1.out. Same thing I'll take and put in the default salary. It is default salary.out. So let me check once here. So it is default dot out. So let me take it from here and put it in the default salary, and then finally we have medium salary here. Let me give the path for this as well. So let me set the target property for this as $db dollar target basically, and finally I'll also check the normal load and truncate and load option here and apply. Okay, save this session. So it's valid. So let's run this now. So I'm expecting 107 records to go into the target from all the 4 sources together. So we got 31 from medium salary, 49 from low salary, 19 from high salary, and 8 from default salary. Total is 107 records got loaded into the target. The session got succeeded. So let's see how many rows are there here. So 107. So department name location ID is null because we have not looked up into the department table at all or flat file at all. So this is 107 records got loaded. So that is union transformation in Informatica. So let's see one more variation of this in the next class. Thank you.